So as I think most, if not all of you know, I was a lawyer in a former life, and I spend a lot of time, potentially too much time, thinking about civic engagement and advocacy. I don't know about you guys, but I find that one of the biggest barriers to voting, especially in local elections, which aren't advertised as heavily, is that I don't get kind of bombarded with the same reminders of the election dates that you get with big federal elections. So the concept with this app is to have a mobile app on your phone that will send you push notifications when elections are happening that are specific to you. So obviously election dates are not uniform across the country, but with this app you sign up with your information, including your address. So we'll do one who's kind of like my roommate. And what it will give you is a list of election dates that are specific to your area. And then it will send you push notifications when elections are actually happening. So if you sign up, you get to your elections kind of homepage, and it lists out your upcoming local elections. Unfortunately, this data is static at the moment. I actually contacted an organization that puts together an elections API and updates it regularly. They haven't gotten back to me, hopefully one day. But yeah, so it turns out push notifications are complicated. There are many ways to do them. I actually had a version of this app that had a Firebase backend because they will handle push notifications for you to some degree. I actually ended up arriving at the conclusion that Expo push notifications were perhaps the easiest to implement. So you can actually demo them on a simulator, and obviously we don't have any election dates coming up. But if I turn on my phone, so every time that you sign up on this app, Expo generates a new device-specific token. So if you actually looked at my database right now, all of the users in my database have the same token because they were all signed up on my device. But if you had different people, they would each be assigned a different device. And then you actually just send a simple HTTP post request with your notification message associated with it, and it will send a push notification to the phone associated with the token that you send with that post request. So I'm going to do a demo of that. Hopefully it'll make a little ping sound. You can see that. So it came up on my phone, and it reminded me that it's election day. So yeah, that's the functionality of the app.